Hello my dear student, welcome back again in Krishna classes. Let's start revision classes. I am going to start your revision of class 10 first chapter chemical reaction and equation. Here I am going to start the revision series for you starting from chapter 1 to all continuous chapters. So let's start with me your revision. First chapter, the name of the chapter is chemical reaction and equation. This is the name of the chapter. What is chemical reaction and equation? What is the physical reaction and equation? In physical reaction, equation will be taken. Your answer is no. In physical reaction, there is no chemical equation will be taken. So let's start. What is the chemical reaction? When nature and identity of initial substance have somewhat changed, that is called changes. What is the meaning of this? If anything like this marker change their position and identity, that is called the changes. There are so many changes occur around us. Some we notice, some we not notice. So let's start. When nature and identity of initial substance have somewhat changed, it means like this marker, you change this initial identity and position like this. You have to, when broke this, then its identity become changes. That is called the changes. Whenever a chemical changes occur, on that time chemical reaction has taken place. The meaning of this line is whenever a chemical changes occur, on that time chemical reaction has taken place in that changes. It means what? For understanding this topic, you have to first understand differences between physical changes and chemical changes. What is the differences between physical changes and chemical changes? Let's see here. What is physical changes? Its composition remains same, that is original substance does not lose its identity. What is the meaning of this? It means in physical changes composition remains same, that is original substance does not lose their identity. It means this is the marker and always this is the marker as well, not changes their identity, not converted into pen, pencil. It is always remain in its original identity, means like a marker. Okay. Now come on next point. It affects physical properties, state, shape, size, etc. What is the meaning of this? It affects physical properties. Physical changes affect only physical properties like state, shape, size, etc. It means when you freezes the water in fridge, then you have to see that there is no identity loses of water. It means water is as same as always. When ice become melt, then it converted again into water, and water when heated, then it converted into vapor. When vapor is cooled, then it again converted into water. It means the identity of water remains same throughout the reaction. This is called the physical changes. Okay. No new substance formed. It means in physical changes no new substance formed. Example: freezing of water, boiling of water, melting of wax. If you melt wax, then wax is always same in identity, means behave like wax, not converted in another substance. Okay. So what is the physical changes? These are the reversible, these are the temporary. It means physical changes are reversible, means when water is freezes in fridge, then it converted into ice. When we melt the ice, then again it converted into water. And temporary means this is not the permanent. This is not the permanent process. Okay. So what is the physical changes? I repeat again. Its composition remains same, that is original substance does not lose their identity. It affects physical properties, that is state, shape, size, etc. No new substance formed. Freezing of water, boiling of water, melting of wax. Reversible. Physical changes are reversible. Temporary. Chemical changes. What is the chemical changes? Now come on chemical changes. Its molecular composition is changed entirely. it means when chemical changes occur, then their molecular composition is totally changed. Okay, now come on next point. It does not affect physical properties, like it changed totally. It means it does not affect the physical property of any substance. Whenever chemical changes occur, then it changed totally. Okay, now come on next point. New substance form. In chemical changes, new substance form, but in physical, new substance is not formed. Okay, so new substance form, example, digestion of food, burning of coal, rusting of iron. These are the example of chemical changes. When food is digested, then it converted into its simplest form, mean it converted in simplest form, then again it not return in their original form. Burning of coal as well, rusting of iron as well. This is irreversible. It means whenever it happened, then it cannot be converted again in its original form. It means it is irreversible. Permanent, it is also a permanent process. Okay, so this is the chemical changes. What is chemical changes? Its molecular composition is changed entirely. It does not affect physical properties, it's changed totally. New substance form, example, digestion of food, burning of coal, rusting of iron, irreversible, permanent. Okay, so this is the physical changes and this is the chemical changes. Now this is the example of some chemical changes. First, I described physical changes and chemical changes differences, because there is so many confusion between the student what is physical changes and chemical changes. Now it is clear to you what is the physical and chemical changes. Now come on the topic chemical changes and its example. Chemical changes, you got it, chemical changes. And here let's start the example. During summer season, milk is left at room temperature. In summer season, you see when the milk is left at room temperature, on that time what happened? Milk is totally spoiled and converted into in spoil form, that is not used by us. During summer season, milk is left at room temperature, it means it will be spoiled. Iron utensils is left exposed to humid atmosphere. It means when iron utensils like bowl, pan, etc. are left in humid atmosphere, it converted into another form, that is called the rusting of iron. Now come on next point, fermentation of grapes. You see in summer season there are so many grapes collected in any utensils and they are fermented. Okay, food is cooked and food digestion. We respire. So here we respire means when respiration occur, on that time chemical reaction also occur. It means this is the irreversible process. When it happened, that it cannot be converted in its original form. As well, cooked food and digested food also. Fermentation of grapes. Iron utensils left exposed to humid atmosphere, and during summer season milk is left in room temperature. Okay, so this is the today's class, physical and chemical changes, differences. I repeat again, what is the physical and chemical changes? Please listen carefully. This is the revision class series. Today I am starting from today revision class series. This is the continued topic starting from chapter 1 to next all chapters. So please with us and revise your all chapters, class 10th student. So let's start. Physical changes, its composition remains same, that is original substance does not lose their identity. It affects physical properties, state, shape and size, etc. No new substance form. Freezing of water, boiling of water, melting of wax. This is reversible and temporary. What is chemical changes? Its molecular composition is changed entirely. It does not affect physical properties. It's changed totally. New substance form, digestion of food, burning of coal, rusting of iron, irreversible, permanent. Okay. Example of chemical changes. During summer season, milk is left at room temperature. Iron utensils is left exposed to humid atmosphere. Fermentation of grape. Food is cooked and food digestion. We respire. So this is the today's revision class. Hope you understand this topic very well. I described combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, redox reaction and thermal decomposition reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction in one class. So for that topic and revision of that topics, you have to subscribe Krishna classes and join my class tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Please press the like button, share to your friend and subscribe to my channel Krishna classes and take benefits of your revision classes. Thank you so much.